Do you want to automate your salary sheet in Excel and save hours of work? In this video, I will show you a step-by-step method to create a dynamic salary sheet using formulas and automation. Whether you are handling payroll for a company or just managing personal finances, this will make your work effortless. Let's get started. First, let's structure our salary sheet. We will create the following columns: employee name, basic salary, HRA, DA, PF, gross salary and net salary. Now let's enter some employee data. I will also format the table to make it more readable. Next, we will use formulas to automate salary calculations. Let's apply the following formulas. HRA calculation. 20% of basic salary equals to B2 multiplied by 20%. DA calculation. 10% of basic salary equals to B2 multiplied by 10%. PF deduction. 12% of basic salary equals to B2 multiplied by 12%. Gross salary basic plus HRA plus DA equals to B2 plus C2 plus D2. Net salary gross salary minus PF equals to F2 minus E2. Now drag the formulas down to apply them to all employees. To make the sheet more dynamic, we will add a drop-down list for employee names using data validation. This helps in quick selection without manual typing errors. We will also apply conditional formatting to highlight salaries above a certain amount. Select the employee name column, go to Data tab, Data Validation and choose List. Enter predefined employee names. Use conditional formatting to highlight salaries above Rs 50,000. Imagine handling out salary slip with just one click. Sounds cool, right? We will use VLOOKUP to autofill a salary slip based on the selected employee. Formula to fetch employee details dynamically equals to VLOOKUP, select employee, comma, salary table, comma, column index, comma, false for exact match. For HRA, DA, PF deduction, gross salary and net salary, the formulas are shown on your screen. You can also find them in the description below. And that's it. You have just built a fully automated salary sheet in Excel that can calculate salaries, format data and generate salary slips with ease. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Tech Table Tutor for more amazing Excel tricks. See you in the next video.